Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can change the aspect ratio of a video in DaVinci Resolve. Now, you might need to do this for a multitude of reasons, like if you want to post something on YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels, you will need to convert a landscape video into a portrait video or vice versa. Now, it doesn't really matter. All you need to do is import the clip, and the rest I'll show you how to do it. So as you can see, this is the clip. It's in landscape mode by default. If you want to change the resolution, just drag it down into your timeline and click on the gear icon on the bottom right corner. Once you do this, you will see that we have a resolution right here. It's 1920 by 1080. Now you can put a custom amount so that it changes as per your needs, but if you want to just convert it into a vertical video, just check this option and it automatically does the job for you. If you don't like the framing of the video, just click on inspector on the top right corner and you can position it in such a way that it fits the frame and the dimensions are symmetric. Once this is done, just play the video, and yeah, you have now successfully changed the resolution of this video in DaVinci Resolve. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.